This here is a Microsoft GPS finder. I got back in 2006. It came pre-installed on the computer that I bought back then, and I got this extra. I believe it was the Street and Trips with a GPS locator. We can bring it back. I got it with actually this computer here, which is running in his last legs Windows Vista with an Intel Centrino. And I still have it, and I have it right now connected to a USB port, and this is what the GPS locator looks like. This is what you put on the dash of your car. Here's some kind of let me see if I can. There you go. This is what's in the back of it. GPS 500, Surf 3 it says, and Faros USA, made in Thailand. Some kind of FCC. It's got a pin number up there. It's a little thing. Put this on your dash, hook it up to your computer. You pull out the software, the Street and Trips by Microsoft, and it tells you where you are. And we're going to do that. Let's see. But before I do that, I have actually the discs that came with it. And here is, I'll tell you about it. And it has 2 discs for the program. Street and Trips with GPS locator, what it's called. We'll put it into use. I used to use it a lot. I used to carry my computer with me back then in the day before Garmin. So we'll put it right here, and set you up over here somewhere. And what we'll do is we'll open up that program. And here we go. Maybe like this a little bit. Hopefully you can get to see it. Bring you a little closer. There you go. Hopefully that will help. Right up on top here on the program, it's got GPS task pane. Hit that. You get this on the side. And here's where you start your GPS tracking. Also, you can keep the position center if you want. You can use the dynamic turn view. You can rotate the map to follow travel directions. And also you can create a GPS trail. If you go somewhere and you want to return, it will leave a trail. I used this a lot when I went camping, fishing back then. Let me start up the GPS. Yeah, for a minute. Let me go like this. And we'll start. There we go. Let's make this. There we go. So right now here's the little point where I'm at. Make it a little bigger. You can see here's a little dot where I'm located, and we got the Hudson River here, the valley, Hudson Valley. I'm in front of the Catskill Mountains. I can see this whole range of mountains here, the Catskill Mountains, upstate New York. Can I move that? No, I can't. If I do this, I believe I can move the map. Yep. Here we got Albany, and down here we got New York City, and actually that is where I am located. It gives you the directions of where you're heading. It gives you the miles per hour when you're moving. If I was to close this, I could see the whole map while I'm driving, and also over here it gives you the stats of the altitude, how fast you're going, the speed. Pretty nifty. I thought it was pretty nice back then in the day, before the phone GPSs are out there. So with that, let me close this up. Not much more to say. Let me close down, we shut down the GPS. There goes the little thing, goes away. Bring it back over here. So there you have it. Microsoft, the GPS locator for the Street and Trips software that came out back in 2006. And I'm glad that I still have this, and it still works. Actually, with the original computer that I got it with, to show this on the files of YouTube for the world to see. And thanks for watching.